this is Northeast Georgia Mountain Folk, and welcome to our channel.
We hope you enjoy our video. Where will we go from here?
Thank you for watching and enjoy the video. Hello, today we are at the Bora Bora Bungalows at the Disney Polynesian Resort. This is our bungalow. Let's go in to show you how it is. Okay, so first we have the second bedroom area. Queen size bed, TV, and a place that pulls down. Next is the main bedroom. And here's the bathroom area. Add some light. TV in the mirror. Bathtub. Shower. Area. Another TV. Second bathroom area. Kitchen area. Very nice spacious kitchen and large table. TV. Mercury bed, which is also a queen size. A pool area for the bungalow itself. And porch area with a view of the Magic Kingdom and the Grand Floridian. We'll continue this later with the nighttime parade and fireworks.